Welcome to another recipe. If you like our recipes, please like, subscribe and press the bell icon button. Here's a list of ingredients you will need for today's recipe. These are also listed in the description box below. So let's get started. We'll start off by taking our oil, adding it to a saucepan, and then in there we'll put in one large onion which has been diced. Then we put in our garlic which has been crushed, grated fresh ginger, and then we'll mix this around. Our flame needs to be about medium, and we just want to cook these till they're nice and soft with a nice light color on there as well. Doesn't take long. Just keep moving it around because we don't want to burn it. And once the colors change to this nice golden color, it just needs to be this light gold color. Once that's happened, we'll go in with our mild curry powder. That goes in. Then turmeric, that goes in as well. We just want to mix this in and cook it out for about 3 to 4 minutes. Not for too long. 3 to 4 minutes is enough. At this stage what we'll do is we'll go in with our flour. So let's get our flour, put that in. Keeping our flame on medium, we'll mix that in. Make sure it's well mixed and then cook it out for another 2 to 3 minutes. Once that's happened, what we'll do is we'll go in with our vegetable stock. You can use chicken stock if you prefer. We're going to add the stock in bit by bit and keep stirring this. We want this to turn into a lump-free paste. So we'll keep adding our stock, mixing it around. You don't need to be too worried about removing all the lumps, because we are going to be putting this sauce through a strainer later on. So yeah, we'll keep mixing it. Take a whisk. Get rid of all the smaller lumps. You'll still have the onions left behind, which is fine, because we are going to strain it like I said. And we'll let this simmer away for about 15 to 20 minutes until it's thickened. Then we'll add in our sugar. Just mix that in. Now we're going to add our soy sauce. And that's rice vinegar. That goes in as well. Give that a stir. Now we'll go in with our coconut milk. You can change the coconut milk quantities according to how you like your sauce. You can increase or decrease it. If you want a stronger sauce, you just reduce the coconut milk. If you want a lighter sauce, you just put more coconut milk in. We'll stir that in. And now the sauce is ready. So what we'll do is we'll push it to the side. We'll take a bowl and then a sieve. We'll run the sauce through the sieve. This is going to take out all the onions and the ginger and the garlic and all the solids that are left over and give us a nice, fine, smooth sauce. All the flavors of these ingredients have been released into the sauce. So at this stage it doesn't matter if we take them out. We've got a nice smooth sauce. Now we'll move on to our marination for our chicken. So we've taken chicken breasts and they've been pounded down to about 1 centimeter thickness, and then now we've added in our soy sauce and our vinegar, which is going to mix this, give it a good coating, and then this can get covered and left in the fridge for half a day. Once that's done, we'll take it out of the fridge, bring it to room temperature, and then it goes straight into plain flour. put that on there, and then that goes into a beaten egg. Straight into Panko breadcrumbs. If you don't have Panko, you can always use normal breadcrumbs, or you can make your own breadcrumbs out of bread by toasting the bread and then just blitzing it up. You want to pack the Panko breadcrumbs on there very well. Once that's done, we'll put it to the side and begin frying it. So we'll take a pan, fill it up with oil, put our chicken breasts in there, let that fry. Because the chicken is not too thick, it shouldn't take too long. All we want to do is get a nice golden color on it and make sure that the chicken's cooked through. This should take about 4 to 5 minutes on each side, but it does depend on how thick your chicken breasts are. So mine were pounded down to about 1 centimeter, and they will cook very quickly. As you can see, the colors turn nice and golden on one side, so I flipped it over. We're going to cook the other side as well. Ideally, you want to make sure the chicken is cooked through properly before serving it. So you can see the chicken's nice and golden. We'll drain the oil, put it on a draining rack, and we'll serve it up. So I'm serving it up with some boiled rice, fresh salad, and I've cut the chicken, put it on the side, and then I've poured the sauce that we made earlier on top. You can add more sauce on it, and that's it. Our dish is now ready. Please try it out. Let us know in the comment section how you got on with it. And if you like our channel, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.